morning students. Welcome back to online learning. Students, first you take out your social studies book, page number 79, 4.3 The Desert and Central Plateaus. Some topics that we have already discussed inside this lesson, that is, to the south of Punjab and Haryana lies the Rajasthan desert. It is called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. Some people don't have any land for agriculture. They rear goats, sheep, cattle and camels. They don't have any permanent homes. They keep moving from place to place in search of pasture for their animals. These people are called nomads. One of their tribes is called Banjaras. A group of people moving in a desert with a number of camels is called a caravan. Now, look at your book, page number 80. Let us start our topic, the Central Plateau. The Central Plateau is very rich in forest wealth. The Central Highlands is divided into the Malwa Plateau and the Chhota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau, it lies to the north of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. The land here is quite flat. It is formed of lava soil known as black soil. This soil is very good for growing cotton. The chief crops of this region are wheat, jowar and cotton. The diamond mines at Panna are well known. Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal are the major cities of Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is its capital. I will show you one picture, students. This one, see the Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. The Malwa Plateau is the northwest of the Central Highlands. It is located between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Malwa Plateau is very good, has black soil which is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. It lies to the north of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. The land here is quite flat. It is formed of lava soil known as black soil. Look at this picture. Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau, Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal are the major cities of Madhya Pradesh. Some of the regions are Bhopal, Gwalior and Vindhya Hills. Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal are the major cities of Madhya Pradesh. Malwa Plateau. The soil is very good for growing cotton. The chief crops of this region are wheat, jowar and cotton. The diamond mines at Panna are well known. See, Das is its capital, Bhopal is its capital. It is formed of lava soil known as black soil. This soil is very good for growing cotton. Next, the Chhota Nagpur Plateau. It includes the south of Jharkhand, the north of Orissa and the northeast of Chhattisgarh. It has many old rocks and thick forest. The plateau is rich in minerals like coal, manganese, bauxite, iron ore, limestone and mica. Jamshedpur, Rourkela and Bokaro are located in this plateau. Many tribes live in the hilly areas of this region. See here, Chhota Nagpur Plateau. Chhota Nagpur Plateau is in the northeast part of the Central Highlands. It includes much of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. It is very rich in mineral. Main parts of Chhota Nagpur Plateau are covered with forest, from which we get different kinds of wood and other forest products. See here. This plateau is rich. Chhota Nagpur Plateau is very rich in minerals like coal, manganese, bauxite, iron ore, limestone and mica. It is very rich in mineral like coal, iron, mica and manganese. Chhota Nagpur Plateau is in the northeast part of the Central Highlands. See here, come to your book. It includes the south of Jharkhand, the north of Odisha and the northeast of Chhattisgarh. It includes old rocks. It has many old rocks and thick forest. The plateau is very rich in minerals like coal, manganese, bauxite, iron ore, limestone and mica. Jamshedpur, Raulkela and Bokaro are located in this plateau. Many tribes live in the hilly areas of this region. Chhota Nagpur Plateau includes the south of Jharkhand, the north of Odisha and the northeast of Chhattisgarh. Next, the Dhammuddhar Basin. It is a small basin of the river Dhammuddhar. It is very close to the Chhota Nagpur Plateau. It has India's richest coal mines like Jharia, Girid, Bokaro and Raniganj. The main occupation of the people here is mining. What is the main occupation of the people here? The main occupation of the people is mining. And it is very close to the Chhota Nagpur Plateau. It is very rich, India's richest coal mines like Jharia, Girid, Bokaro and Raniganj. It is a small basin of the river Damodar. Damodar River is a river flowing across the Indian states of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Damodar Basin is famous for rich in mineral resources. The valley is home to large-scale mining and industrial activity. Earlier known as the Sorrow of Bengal because of its ravaging floods in the plains of West Bengal. The Damodar and its tributaries have been somewhat termed with the construction of several dams. Next, look at your book, students. In page number 81, here are some points to remember. Let us recapitulate the whole points. First, the Rajasthan desert lies to the west of the Aravallis. It has very little rain and there is hardly any vegetation. Many people have no permanent homes. They keep moving from place to place in search of grass for their animals. Some parts of the desert are irrigated by the Indira Gandhi Canal. Tribals called Bhils live in the Aravallis. The Malwa Plateau has black soil which is good for growing cotton. Malwa Plateau is very good for growing cotton. This soil is very good. It is formed of lava soil known as black soil, and this black soil is very good for growing cotton. The chief crops of this region are wheat, jowar and cotton. The Chhota Nagpur Plateau and the Dhammuddhar Basin are rich in minerals. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this lesson.